All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a very quick video. This is a very late end of day video. Um, gonna be in the lab for a while, so I've been working on some things. So yeah, I almost didn't even get this out, but I want to get it out to you ahead of FOMC on Wednesday. So right now, anticipated markets are just going to be stuck in a flux and consolidation and just moving sideways. There's theta. You can see that here. You still have the bearish trend momentum reading, and you had the crash alert, and the market's getting ready to give you some downside production. So we do see theta coming down to test this old support I've been warning you about back there. The next chart here is the ZEC or Zcash, and we put in a rally alert on today's close. So we are expecting the market to try to get back up deep into, the top of the Kumo cloud resistance. I see the price action just continue to waffle around here. There is still a threat, though, that the market could still end up falling back down. With the bullish trend momentum reading and the rally alert, that should get the bulls out to play. Next, we have the XRP Ripple, same thing. We have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Bottom of the Kumo cloud resistance is the initial upside target. As far as silver is concerned, we still are seeing prices heading lower. We do believe that the market's going to come down here and test the top of the Kumo cloud support. $28 is the psychological support, and we do see the market with the probability of dropping below that. Next, we have the Dow futures. We put in a negative bot check on today, which means that there is a possibility that the market will see a down leg, especially once the bullish algo shift drops off. If the bullish algo shift drops off, we could see an immediate drop in the Dow. Now, the one caveat is that we still got the bearish trend momentum reading, which is a sell the rally mode. But if the bullish algo shift continues, well, we will see the market continue to push higher. So interesting turn of events there for the Dow. As far as the NASDAQ 100, again, we got a bearish trend momentum reading. The market is now in the sell the rally mode, and the market is trying not to give you downside production, but we have a bearish trend momentum reading, and I do see the market giving some downside movement here. We had a slight bit pullback here, and the top of the Kumo cloud support held, but the market is getting kind of frothy up here. So, best take heed to that. Then we have the gold futures getting deeper into the Kumo cloud. We still have the bearish trend momentum reading, so we do see prices continuing to head lower. Next, we have the E-mini S&P 500 futures, and just like the NASDAQ 100, you still got the bearish trend momentum reading, even though the price action hasn't been doing anything, and that's because the FOMC is coming up, so no one really wants to do too much until that happens. Then you have crude oil futures, and you had a nice little spike today, and you still have the bullish trend momentum reading. So this bear market rally is still underway. Right now, it's still classified as a technical bounce until you get above the Kumo cloud. We don't call it a bear market rally until it gets above the Kumo cloud. So it still has a long way to go in order to do that. But right now, it's on the right track as far as from a bullish perspective. As far as the euro is concerned, the euro, as you can see here, broke lower, broke down, broke all the way down. But gave you we still maintain a bullish algo shift even on this drop, and this was a precipitous drop. All right, so the markets really don't know what to do at this point. They're just trying to guesstimate at this point, but you did cross over the bullish territory, so maybe this was a little flash crash, if you will, and then the market's gonna boomerang itself back up again. And then here on the pound sterling, You got the bearish trend momentum reading. You had the crash alert. You got some downside production today. We do see the price action coming toward that 126 top of the Kumo cloud support. As far as the Aussie is concerned, again, you got the bearish algo shift. So we see the momentum still creeping downward. And then on the Russell My Hustle, again, the selling pressure is starting to pick up. And you have supports down here. You got 1, 2, and 3. And I do believe that is where the market is gunning for. Next, we have Ethereum futures, and we still have the bearish trend momentum reading. We still expect the price action to come down here closer toward the 3,500. So that's definitely in play right now. Then we have the Bitcoin futures, same thing, bearish trend momentum reading. That's going to be coming down as well. And then, of course, the US dollar index had a big pop up here and stopped short right at the top of the Kumo cloud resistance. And I do see the market consolidating a bit after this. But, you know, the bears are still having their way because you still have, you know, this bearish algo shift is still alive and well. All right, folks. So sorry so late, but a lot of things going on behind the scenes. So yeah, I think the markets are going to pretty much stay, you know, consolidated until that FOMC comes out. All right. So just be forewarned about that. Okay. And with that said, remember the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And on that note, I am out. Peace.